Hey, Cleaning and Cocktails Route family. We are here at the 2023 ISSA Las Vegas show, day 3. Things are starting to wrap up. We're going to start talking to a lot of, not just the cleaning company owners that were here, but I'm talking to my boy James Harper, who was an exhibitor here. Doesn't come from the cleaning space, is a part of the cleaning space. And dude, I got to say, I feel like you're loving the cleaning community because you are doing a lot of things for the cleaning community. Well, explain who you are here and who are you here to represent?
Cool. So, man, really appreciate the time. I do love the cleaning space. So, like you said, I'm James Harper. I'm actually here with The Profitable Cleaner. That's our podcast with one of our sponsors, USource. And, man, I love the cleaning space because of the people, first and foremost. And then being at ISSA, man, it just expands that depth of people and the quality of people, man. And I'm blown away with how big this industry truly is.
So, again, first time coming here, man. And I remember when I came, my legs hurt.
Yeah.
There's hundreds of aisles.
Yeah.
Did you get a chance, as an exhibitor, did you get a chance to walk around and walk the floor?
I've walked it twice, man, and like you said, my legs are sore, my throat's sore just from all the conversation, and I've always been impressed with the people that own the cleaning companies who I have direct access to, but to see a lot of the suppliers and outside vendors, man, same type of quality of people.
There's more to the industry.
Yeah,
right?
Absolutely.
So let's talk about, boom, done. You guys also check out the Profitable Cleaner podcast. It's a badass podcast. Next year, 2024, are you guys excited to come back? And then what other things are you guys excited for now that you've been here and you see what the potential and the opportunities are?
That's a really good question. Absolutely, we're going to be back. I think we're probably most excited for just continuing, bringing a sense of personal development to the space and leadership. It doesn't matter what company you run, whether it's a cleaning company, you're a supply company. We're still big. You have to lead the company, right? And so that's kind of our mission. And hell yeah, we're going to be back, man. And love what you guys are doing, man. And now on the board of ISSA, man, you're doing it, bro.
I'm trying. Yeah. So I did want to add, you guys, because you set a good note. So James not coming from the space, but this guy understands leadership mindset. I see the way, even me and you conversate and you've given me tips and advice. I think that's still so important where you don't have to be in the cleaning industry. You don't have to have that knowledge because leadership is in any vertical. Right, we're here to build cleaning companies. We're here to build businesses. So thank you for what you do, my man.
Thank you, man.
I appreciate you taking the time out. All right.
Thanks, bro.
Get after it. See you guys out.